Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 1990 GMC Jimmy. Nice sport utility, fuel injected, 350 automatic, power windows and locks, air. Decent head of repaint. You know, not perfect. You can see a few dings in the hood there, little debris. I'm very transparent, so I'm going to tell you everything I know about it. Good, look at them nice wheels, not corroded or anything. Good tread on the tires. There's a little pinstripe they don't make that pinstripe anymore, so you kind of got to make it. That was a factory two-tone one. Little dinger right there. And just a driver quality there. You can see they didn't take the window felts out, so. Dash and our interior is in nice shape except for the dash. So I'm gonna order one of them, but she's cracked in a few spots, typical. Otherwise, nice original, 162,000. I gotta adjust that door a little bit. 162,000 miles. Top pretty much original on it. You can see by a few scratches. So like I said, driver quality, runs and drives good. See my running video, see my driving video. There's some overspray on the rear gate felt also. Bumpers are nice and straight. So if you're looking for just an affordable sport utility, the nice thing is these 88 to 91s are fuel injected. There's another bad spot on that pinstripe. So like I said, any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.